More than 20 years ago, we launched the Toyota Prius. Today we can share how we've updated the world's best-selling hybrid car.
Prius, the icon for Toyota's hybrid technology that has sold more than 5.5 million units worldwide since its launch in 1997, is taking another step forward with the availability of AWDI for the first time. AWDI stands for All-Wheel Drive Intelligent and, as the name suggests, uses a compact high-torque electric motor to automatically deliver extra traction via the rear wheels when the driver needs it. The new Prius debuts a refined but distinctive look that features new bi-LED headlights, a redefined front bumper and revised tail lamps. Inside, the occupants will find enhancements to material and trim, alongside an improved Toyota Touch 2 multimedia system and an enlarged wireless charging tray. Lastly, the new Prius is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense system that features numerous active safety technologies. Of course, the fuel economy and CO2 performance are impressive, as you can see from these figures. The new Prius, including the AWDI version, will be available across Europe from spring 2019.